we have decided to put a world-class laboratory, and in between, because we have the capability under the EIC, which is Government of India undertaking, which is accepted for quality certified by that organization, is accepted globally. So that agency has been directed to visit here. I think they already done that immediately. Also, the other agency, which is Quality Control of India, which also together they are going to work towards creating these facilities, so that we'll ensure that what we guarantee to people in the most developed countries of the world, where the standards of health are highest and even better than what are in India, the same agency will certify the quality in future, and therefore we are working on it, as I mentioned to you. Also, we'll put a mobile van and a laboratory, so that if there are any specific complaint that can be addressed immediately, that again we'll be trying to put it up. We are working very closely with Goa government, and it's a joint endeavor on part of central government and Goa government to ensure that whatever are the apprehensions will be completely dispelled. We'll be able to address it in a proper and effective manner.
Where it is?
We already started working together.
हेल्थ मिनिस्टराचे असो विचार आहा की आझील जे आसलें आदलें ओल्ड आझील तातूंत तांकां जागो दिवप असो टेंटेटीव हें आहा. आय डोंट होल्ड द हेल्थ पोर्टफोलियो, सो इट्स नॉट प्रॉपर फॉर मी टू मेक दीस अनाउंसमेंट, बट टेंटेटिवली ही हैज दैट इन माइंड.
See, actually, that day after the meeting, I think it was on Wednesday or Tuesday. Yeah, last week when after the meeting, immediately the team has visited Goa. So the action has already started on ground to ensure that we put in place. So this is something which is an ongoing effort.
Basically, we are trying to bring in a system by which the staple diet of the Goan people is assured that is safe. No mother and no sister has to worry that her child or her younger brother, what is he eating, whether it is food or poison.
12 ऑक्टोबराक गोयच्या फॉर्म्युलिनाच्या नुस्त्याच्या इश्यूचेर दिल्ली उद्देग आनी वाणिज्य मंत्री सुरेश प्रभूच्या ऑफिसात खासा बसका जाल्ली. EIC आनी QCIक टेस्टिंग फॅसिलिटीक लागता ती सुवात, ऑफिस आनी बाकीची मजत गोंय सरकाराक दिवची पडटली.
फॉर्मल इश्यू जो गोंयान बरो तापलो एक टायमार तो आतां थंड करपा खातीर सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट इंटरफियर जाल्लो आसा, आनी त्या खातीर एक वर्ल्ड क्लास लॅबोरेटरीचे एश्युरन्स गोवा गव्हर्मेंट आनी सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाक दिलेले आसा. आज सुरेश म्हणून प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवन 2 एजन्सी अपॉयंट केली, त्याची म्हायती गोंयकारांक दिलेली आसा. आनी बेगिनाच बेगीन वर्ल्ड क्लास लॅबोरेटरी जी तयार जावन ती फूड क्वॉलिटी गोंयची चॅक करतली. विथ व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गावत, रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी फॉर प्रुडंट.